Hi again, it's a little bit of a blustery day here, so we're gonna I'll try and talk a little louder so you can hear me, but I'm saying it's a little bit of a touristy trip. There can be some very expensive restaurants, so you'll want to kind of look around a little bit. There are some very affordable options that have great food, but if you're not careful you can end up paying close to 40 euro for a salad, and no one wants to do that. Otherwise, there's great things to see, but some things to keep in mind are your hotels. You'll definitely want to read the reviews, do a little research on the areas, because there seem to be a few more undesirable areas in the city. It's a little bit more industrialized than we thought it would be. There also seems to be a few more kind of transient, maybe homeless people, I'm not really sure. So it seems a little bit sketchier at night, but I mean, we didn't have any problems. We still felt very safe. But again, you'll want to stick to lighted routes, kind of the same as with any city. So if you're in the area, I would definitely recommend checking it out. Otherwise, maybe you want to go down the coast of the river here a little bit and try and find a smaller town that might be more authentic. Otherwise, while you're here, I would definitely walk across this bridge so you can go between France and Germany to get the full experience, and be sure to stay tuned for the rest of our trip.